Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into Google Merchant Center and your Google business profile. Link them now so data flows. Verify and claim your domain, then upload an initial product feed or connect Shopify/BigCommerce. This ensures Google can index listings. Once done, check each SKU for price, availability, and GTIN, and make sure images meet Google's aspect ratio and size expectations. Do this first to avoid later rejections and to enable merchant listings quickly. You'll now configure feeds and mapping so products actually appear in Google search. Choose primary versus supplemental feed and schedule regular fetches, typically every 24 hours, to keep pricing and stock accurate. Map required attributes, ID, title, price, availability, shipping, and tax, and add GTIN where available. This improves visibility and reduces disapprovals. Once mapping is set, enable automatic item updates and opt into surfaces across Google, so your catalog. You finish by submitting the feed and monitoring Merchant Center diagnostics for warnings and disapprovals. Act on errors immediately. Once items show as approved, test live search snippets using Google Search Console, and the rich results test to confirm structured data and product snippets render correctly. If something goes wrong, for example disapprovals for missing GTIN or price mismatches, update the feed, reprocess, and use the diagnostics panel. That step typically resolves most listing failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.